Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this YouTube live, I would like to tell about my plan to get reviews for my Amazon books by giving free review copies. Okay, let me first share my screen. Okay, and let us discuss after that. Okay, I'm just to share my screen. Okay, so this is my Amazon author page. Okay, I provided that link in the description of the video, but that is for Amazon.com. Suppose if you're in some other country, say for example if you're in India, you can go to Amazon.in, right? So similarly if you are in Canada, Amazon.ca, like that. Just to go to your local country, and you can search for my name, right? Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. Okay, so it will be showing my books, right? So just click my name here, author name, right? So that will be showing all the books available at Amazon, my books. Okay, so right now 35 books are there. Around more than 10 books are like Kindle Unlimited enrolled, KDP Select enrolled. Okay, so that you can freely read them if you are KU member. Okay, so just go through the books. Okay, so so suppose if you want to read this particular book, AI tools. So suppose if you're a doctor, you want to know about how to use AI tools effectively for your work. Maybe you can ask me to give the free review copy of this book. Either you can send me the book title, or you can just click the book and you can send me the link. Okay, so I'll be sending the PDF file, free review copy of that book. You can just read that book, and then if you like that book, you can just add your rating. If you have some time, you can add your review also. Okay, right now I'm in the process because I put a lot of work to come up with these books, but because of lack of reviews and ratings, it's not uh, selling well. Okay, so basically it needs a lot of ratings and reviews, right? Suppose if you don't like any particular book, just let me know your feedback by sending email to me. Okay, so that I can address that in my upcoming books. But in that ratings, if you like something, you can just share that details, right? Okay, and I have released a lot of books that also mostly useful books, improving career, and motivational books like that. Mostly career related things, especially AI related things. Okay, you can just go through that. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I can explain the things. I hope I made it clear, right? So just go through my Amazon page, and just let me know the specific title you want to review. I will be sending the free review copy to you, and then you can just go through that book, and if you like that book, add ratings and reviews. Okay, if you don't like the book, just share the feedback with me. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, and I would like to improve the quality of my books, as well as I would like to get ratings and reviews. That is the entire purpose of this plan. Okay, so for that I am willing to give some free copies. Okay, so that is from my side. It has a lot of books, and I keep on exploring the demanding things, and I will be adding them also. Suppose if you have any specific topic in your mind, if you're not seeing that in my book list, you can just let me know. I will work on it. So most of the books I created with the help of ChatGPT, obviously, right? So that is helping us to save a lot of time. But I manually made a lot of improvements, by making corrections, and especially tweaking the prompts to create the chapters properly. Okay, so it involves significant work, though ChatGPT helped me a lot to come up with these books. Okay, and I create the books only with the domains which I'm familiar with, that to make sure that that book content is uh, okay, kind of stuff. Okay, I set a very low price only, so I hope if it is getting good reviews, it can easily sell. But only problem is because of the low price, affiliates may not be showing interest to sell that things. So I will be just exploring the things. Suppose In the coming days, I may increase the price. Okay. But anyway, I can give you the free review copy, right? So you need not to worry about the price or the details. Just to contact me, just to go through the list of books and just to see the chapter list and free samples. And if you like some books, if you want to read some books, just let me know. Right now, I plan to just give one free review copy per person. Say, for example, suppose if you want to read two books, first contact me with one title, okay, and then just make go through that book and add the review. Once after adding the review, if you contact me, I can send you the next book also. So at a time, I can share one free review copy. Okay, that is what my plan. So just to go through the details, list of books, and just to choose your most appropriate one for you, and then contact me with the link or the title of the book. Okay. My email ID is rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, and that I provided in the description of the video. Okay. Or suppose if you are interested, if you find any difficulty in contacting me, in the comment section, just let me know your email ID and the title. I'll be sending that book to your email ID. Okay. That is the plan. So here just I will just go through the titles. Okay. But you can just click that link and you can go through the description and first, free samples or things. Okay. But in this video, I'm just going through the titles. AI tools for healthcare professionals. This will be useful for doctors and nurses and hospital administrators. Okay. So I just made this book by giving general information so that this book can be valid after 1 year also. If I list the specific tools, they may be keep on changing, right? So I just created the book in that way so that it can be readable in the coming years also. Okay. So it will be very general information, but lot of information, a lot of pages are there. If you are a doctor or healthcare professional or nurse or any kind of medical field associated person, then you can uh, ask me to send a free review copy of that book, and then you can add that review. Okay. So this is about building AI agents with OpenAI Agent Kit, recently created, right? So I don't have much personal experience with that. It is created based on ChatGPT prompts and some reference with OpenAI documents. Okay. Um, so it may not be but if you are very beginner, you can get some details. Okay. And generally it includes a lot of agents related information, so definitely it will be useful in that perspective. This book will be really useful for Python learners. Here it's a very very simple and comprehensive book with a lot of examples. Okay. And this RAG made simple. This is for beginner friendly RAG retrieval augmented generation things. So personally, I am very much interested in RAG related projects. I work with some RAG projects, and I thought of sharing my experience with another book related to RAG that was having a lot of information. Then I realized that beginners may be looking information in different way, right? Very simple, easy to understand way. So that is the reason why I created this book. Okay. It will be very beginner friendly. You can read the details, and if you need any details, like if you want to have one-on-one coaching, you can contact me. I can simply teach, and I can help you to troubleshoot the code, a lot of things. Even if you're working on any RAG projects, and if you want to make it with efficiency and good quality, maybe you can consult me. Okay, based on hourly charges. Here I listed details about my one-on-one coaching. This is my blog. You can come to my blog by searching uh, blog dot or just search QPT blog on Google. Okay. And you can get this link, right? Here I provided this one-on-one coaching, right? That link, just click that link, that will be giving details about my plans for giving one-on-one coaching. And suppose if you are booking my time by on or before November 5th, previously I announced that discount offer for this month. Now I extended it up to November 5th. Okay. So in that case, you can get 25 percentage discount. I recently added one blog post about it. 25% discount. Okay, so if you book my time before November 5th. Okay, so okay, that maybe I can discuss in separate live session. This live is to give more importance to my Amazon related books and getting reviews and ratings by giving free review copies. Okay, so this book is about AI tools. Here I listed all kinds of AI tools with categorization and links to go through that tools. Okay, that will be a really useful reference book. And this one, if you're interested in software testing related to AI, this is useful. Like it will cover both things, testing the AI models as well as using AI for doing software testing of any application. Okay, but again, here I just try to give some general information. Suppose if you want a specific list of tools, other things, I added them in my blog post. Okay, but this is really useful to get some introduction, so to get some overview, right? Many years back in the year 2009, 10, that time period, I released a book about software testing that was selling well, but that got somewhat outdated because that book I included QTP, Quick Test Professional tool also. That was now outdated, right? So it's not at all there. So I thought of coming up with a new software testing, and I realized that there is a need to associate it with EAA, right? Without EAA, nothing is there right now, right? So that is the reason why I came up with that book. Okay, suppose if you're interested to read that book, just to contact me by specifying the title. Uh, by agreeing that you will be providing either feedback. If you don't like the book, just share the feedback with me. If you like the book, add the ratings and reviews on Amazon. Okay, that's what my plan. And this book is about AI for beginner friendly. I have a complete AI book also. This book is beginner friendly. Okay, actually, so for similar topics, I may be having two books. One is exclusively for this Amazon. These books are exclusively for Amazon. Okay, all these books: AI tools for healthcare professionals, this OpenAI's Agent Kit, Python for absolute beginners, RAG made simple, and ultimate guide to AI tools, software testing in the AI era, AI for absolute beginners, AI tools for teachers, AI and data science interview questions, Python, up to this. Okay, these things are like uh, I mean to say that they are KDP select enrolls. Okay, so that is exclusive. Okay, so in that case, you can get it only from Amazon. Okay, but other books that can be you can buy from my website rajamanikam.com also. Okay, so in the rajamanikam.com, I'm selling my AA course and my even I'm selling my one-on-one coaching package, right? Apart from that, I'm selling my books. Okay, but these books are non-exclusive. Okay, so that will be available at Amazon as well as my website. Okay. Okay. So next book is Ultimate Guide to AI Tools. I already explained software testing in the AI era, AI for absolute beginners. Okay. So this will be if you are a very beginner. If you want to know about overview of AI, this book will be useful. In that case, just contact me with the title or the link. I'll be sending the free review copy. If you are in education field, especially teacher, here I listed various AI tools in this book. Or if you know someone doing teaching, maybe you can provide that book to them, or just tell about this free review copy offer to them. Maybe they can make use of that. Okay, right. And this is for listing interview questions related to AI and data science interview questions. Okay, if you're interested, if you're looking for a job or job change, maybe you can get this book. Okay, Python for aid developers. This is about explaining the various Python libraries. Okay, and I created this book with a lot of code samples. You can go through the samples, right? This is about Power App, SharePoint, that kind of Microsoft automation thing. Okay, these things I created many months back. Okay, and right now I'm not fully focusing on those things. But other things, AI related things, I can teach them also through one-on-one coaching. Okay, so suppose if you have any questions, you can book my time. Even just 1 hour, you can book, and we can discuss. Suppose if you want to get more details about RAG, agent developments, or any kind of questions, even simply like learning Python or prompt engineering. So anything, just using ChatGPT effectively, or even to know about the various AI tools, how they are working, whether they are hype or really useful, that kind of stuff. Suppose if you want to discuss something, you can book my time. Okay, even you can book just 1 hour also. Okay, so this is about explaining AI agents to the beginners. Okay, this is about explaining agentic AI, right? That agentic AI is playing important role these days, right? Like uh, combining multiple agents, collaboration, right, with memory and tools. That kind of ecosystem is playing important role. That is growing very fast, up to the level of replacing the human employees, right? Even I heard that Bank of New York is having AI agents as employees. They have assigned with employee ID, email ID, company email ID, and a hierarchy like a reporting manager and other subordinates like that. That kind of uh, things are going on related to agentic AI. So it is important to understand that agentic AI. Suppose if you are in that field and willing to learn that kind of stuff, you can contact me by specifying this title. I can send you the free review copy. Okay. This is mini motivational book. Sometimes back, I published a book with title "Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch," with a lot of information, like motivational things, like summary of various useful TED talks and a lot of great people's motivational quotes collection, and even I added a few chapters by sharing my own thoughts about some motivational things. Okay, but that book was very lengthy. I don't know whether everyone will be willing to spend time for reading that book. So I thought of coming up with a short version. Okay, this is mini motivational book. Moreover, it can be included in the KDP Select, right? That is another purpose. It can save a lot of time. Okay, but if you want to read the complete book, you have to purchase Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. Okay, but anyway, if you are interested to review that book also, I can share that review copy also. Okay, and this is Unlocking Gemini. Okay, so I released this book many months back, but still, if you are interested, you can just let me know. I will send you the free review copy. Yeah, FAQ. Here, I'm just trying to explain artificial intelligence in the FAQ format. Okay, this also will be interested. It has more than 200 questions and answers about the AI. Okay, so I'm loading more books. So next one is Start Learning AI Today. This is like a very beginner friendly book, how to start learning AI today, that kind of information. If you're very beginner, that book will be useful. Or if you know someone who is interested in start learning AI, you can just share that with them also. If you decide to add reviews and ratings for that book, right? So in that case, just let me know the title by sending an email to me. Okay, and this is just a collection of motivational quotes. Okay, this book I created like many years back, so it got some ratings. This is about the danger or risk of Google's monopoly. I shared that with my personal experience and some general information also. Okay. So if you are interested, just to let me know that title. This is about earning money from YouTube videos. I have been running my YouTube channel for many years, starting from the year 2009, and for many years it was my main source of income till my AdSense got disabled. Okay, so I just shared my experience of growing YouTube channels and how to effectively upload thumbnails, titles, the thing. But this book I released many months back, almost many years back. But now I'm planning to add another book highlighting AI part, right? Now AI plays important role in running YouTube channel, right? Even for creating thumbnail, getting title suggestions, adding description, everything we can use AI right now, right? So maybe I can do that, but that part is AI part is not there. It is before AI, right? So anyway, it's a very useful book because I had a lot of experience with that, right? So I just shared my experience. Okay. This is for A for entrepreneurs. So if you're a business person or having plans to start the business or any kind of small business or any kind of things, that in that case you can understand the AA in that perspective. Okay. This is about earning money selling AI courses. Okay. So if you have any plans in that thing, in that case you can ask me to send the free review copy of this book. This is very important book. I spent a lot of time for creating this book. Though I used ChatGPT, I spent a lot of time in formatting and reviewing all the things. Right. So it's a complete book for learning SQL, starting from beginning and advanced things, including uh, AI related stuffs related to SQL. Okay. This book I was referring, right? This is my first previously released book about drag. Okay, it will be a very detailed book, and as I said, if you want beginner-friendly book, maybe you can uh, consider my previously mentioned book, right? Rag made symbol, or if you need complete thing, maybe you can consider this book. Okay, this is about Snowflake, right? Data warehouse. If you're interested, I can send the review copy. Okay. This book actually, this book my highest priority book, but I put on hold. I initially I thought of releasing books related to emerging technologies, but right now I have started focusing on only AI. But apart from AI, there are a lot of different emerging technologies like nano materials, like graphene and quantum computing. A lot of things are there, but right now I am fully focusing on AI. Okay, but anyway, this book I almost like it's a it has a lot of information and a lot of links to my UD videos related to emerging technologies. Okay, suppose if you are interested in that, you can ask me to send the free review copy. Okay, but if you are getting, as I said, if you are getting free review copy, in the sense you are agreeing to either share your feedback with me or preferably add ratings and reviews. Okay, if you like the book, I would highly suggest add your ratings and reviews on Amazon. Okay, if you don't completely don't like that, in that case, you can just share your negative comments with me so that I can address them. Okay, so that's what my plan. Okay, so this is about emerging AI trends in 2025. Okay, this unlocking AI, it's a very very important book, but someone intentionally added like low rating, so that is the reason why it's not selling well. But I thought it's a very very good book for any kind of person. That is the reason why I started this free review copy distribution. Okay, so someone just a random person is able to stop my sales, right, just by giving random ratings. So to counteract that, I needed to come up with this plan. Okay, so I would suggest my highly recommended thing is just to get this review copy of this book just to go through that. Surely you will be liking that book, and you can add ratings and reviews for that book. Okay, that is the starting point of my this plan. Okay, but it is applicable for other books. Maybe you may not be interested in AA, you may be interested in motivational quotes, right? So in that case, it's okay. But my highly suggested or recommended book is this Unlocking AI. So here, I put lot of efforts to come up with that book. It includes very beginning level and advanced levels also. So in that case, you can just get that review copy. This person, even I like. Uh, like I just uploaded. No one bought the book, but that person just added that negative ratings. So I don't know how it happened. Okay, so I reported it to Amazon, but Amazon not yet removing that. Okay. So AI insights into the Bible. Actually, this book a long back I released when the board was released. That time just I wanted to test the quality of the board by comparing with ChatGPT. So I just used both ChatGPT and board to analyze the Bible insights. Okay, but I realized that that book, but that happened long back, right? But still, that purpose is also different, like comparing board and ChatGPT just to test their ability in understanding Bible. Okay, but now I realized that this book is useful for the people, non-technical people also, those who want to get the insights from the Bible, right? So in that case, still this book is very valid and useful. In that perspective, maybe the reason got changed. Previously, it was about showing the ability of ChatGPT and bot in the very beginner, 2 years back, right, 2 3 years back. But now the purpose is just uh, uh, people can get a lot of information about Bible from this book. If you are in that kind of person, you can ask me to send a free review copy of this book. I can send it. Okay, and this is about prompt engineering. This is about earning money from web development. I have been working as a web developer for a long time, right? So previously, I was doing freelancing work, doing web development activities, and I did a lot of uh, blogs and websites for earning money from advertisements. And I was selling up at web products like timesheet software. Okay, so web-based timesheet software. So I just thought of sharing my experience, and well, initially I thought of just start of sharing my experience, but that I already mentioned in another book. So this book I just made it very general way how to earn money from web development with the help of ChatGPT. Anyway, that also will be really useful. Just if you are interested, if you are in this kind of expectation, maybe you can ask me to send the free review copy of this book. I will send that. This is interesting innovation in emerging technologies. It is part of that. I already explained about this emerging technologies part of it. It's a complete big book basically. This is just to list only the interesting innovations. Okay. So this book I was referring previously, realize I released this book long back. At that time, it was very selling well. Okay, but that time I was not considering Amazon as the primary uh, source of income. Though that was selling very well, that time I was concentrating more on my freelancing work. Then I started focusing on my YouTube. Okay, now I find it difficult to get freelancing work as well as my YouTube ad earnings were disabled. So again, I thought of exploring various things, and then I decided to focus on Amazon again. So that is the reason why recently I started releasing more books, and I will be continuing that. Okay, but this book I released long back in the year 2009 and 10, that time period. Okay, this book I already explained, right? Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. It's a complete reference for motivational book, right? It has a lot of motivational quotes, and it has a lot of like information from various useful TED talks. Okay, so it is more useful for giving us a gift in case of paperback version. But ebook version, you can, if you want, I can send you the free review copy if you are interested to add your rating. Okay. Let me check any question is there. No questions, right? So someone is asking question like, would someone watch your videos on AI for extracting data from someone's Google Takeout files? I don't understand your question. Okay. Suppose if you need more details, maybe you can ping me. We can discuss that through Google Meet. Okay. Okay, so the thing is, I wanted to highlight two things. If you are interested to get free review copies of my book, but as I said, initially only one book is allowed. After adding your ratings and reviews, you can get other books. Okay, one by one. Okay. This is about getting free review copies. I have right now I have 35 titles, and I am in the process of publishing other books. Like I'm exploring the things. I'm exploring about releasing book about LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of stuff. MCP protocol. Like I already created videos, and I would like to include books also about that. Okay, but before moving further, I need to start making the sales, right? So I just put a break, small break. Okay, so in the next few weeks, I may be focusing more on promoting it by giving free review copies. Okay, getting feedback. Suppose if I keep on adding books without getting the feedback of the readers, means it's not a good idea, right? So that is what my plan. And the non-exclusive books I'm selling from my rajamanikam.com also. Suppose if you want to earn money, you can contact me. I'm giving 50% affiliate commission for referring my books at my website rajamanikam.com. Okay, it's it's a good opportunity, especially this is in high demand, right? One-on-one coaching for AI. That also I included in the affiliate program, but I may not be including it for more time because I have limited time, right? I cannot get more students one-on-one coaching. If it's a batch means that is different. One-on-one coach means I need to spend separate time for each person, right? But anyway, right now I have free time, so I included in the affiliate offer. Suppose if you want to earn money quickly and easily, this is a good opportunity for limited time. Okay, so because I said $69, right, for this package, so as 50 percentage, you can get around $34, right? Easily, you can earn good money just by referring few people. Okay, but the long term, you can use this recorded course. Okay, so or any ebooks. A lot of books are there. Okay, okay, that is one thing. Other thing, as I said, I'm giving this 25% discount to learn AI, Python, SQL, or any kind of technology related things, whatever I'm familiar with that. Okay, and for that, I charge 800 rupees in India, $12 globally. Right now, I'm offering 25% discount just to make use of that opportunity. Okay, it is applicable till November 5th. Initially, I announced it for this month, October, but I extended it because I still I have free time. I'm looking for some students to teach. Okay, and okay, let us discuss these things frequently. I plan to do a lot of YouTube live sessions in the coming days. Mostly, in the coming sessions, I can explain about what are the things I have to teach, right? So I already prepared with a lot of slides, a lot of course samples. Maybe people who are not knowing me, they may be hesitating to book my time, right? So just to give the confidence, I can explain those things also in the coming days. And in the meantime, okay, if you have any questions, just ask me by adding comments in this video. Okay, or you can find my email ID rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. I provided that in the description of the video also. Okay, thanks. Bye.